If you like our content, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get alerts when we introduce new videos.
Welcome to the demonstration series for the RUCKUS Analytics Cloud Service for Network Intelligence and Service Assurance. The videos in this series will describe the various views, services, and capabilities of the RUCKUS Analytics platform. In this video, I'll describe the data presented in the Inventory Controllers Report dashboard. So let's get started. Here I am logged into RUCKUS Analytics. You access the Inventory Controllers Report dashboard by navigating to and expanding Report on the left side pane. Then click on the Controllers link. This will open the Inventory Controllers Report dashboard. The Inventory Controllers Report provides details on controller inventory, including resource and license utilization. So let's start at the top of the page. As with most reports, there is a time selection field which allows you to determine the time span of the data represented in the report. This field is covered in detail in a separate presentation of this video series. Now let's look at the various tiles available in the report. At the top is the Overview tile. It provides a general overview of controllers in the network based on your date range filter. It displays the total number of overall controllers and how many are online and offline, as well as the total number of Smart Zone controllers. The Resource Utilization tile contains a table displaying the CPU, memory, and disk utilization percentages for each controller in your system. Clicking on the gear icon lets you modify the table settings by adding or removing columns and increasing the number of rows per page. The License Utilization tile contains a graph that displays the number of available and consumed licenses for the APs for each system. In addition to licenses used, the table also details the status of each of the managed APs. The gear icon on this table also allows you to modify the table settings by adding or removing columns and increasing the number of rows per page. The last table is the CRACK, or Key Reinstallation Attack Assessment tile. It contains a graph that displays the crack vulnerability status of all APs in the network. In addition to the raw data, this table also provides recommendations for each of the systems in the table. And if you look to the top right portion of the tile, you can see a summary detailing the percentage of APs in all systems that have been patched. This table, like the others, contains a gear icon for modifying columns and rows per page. As with most reports in RUCKUS Analytics, this report can be exported to a comma-separated values CSV file or to a PDF. Selecting the CSV option contains all of the raw data that populates each of the tables, graphs, and data points combined into a single zip file. The PDF export output looks very similar to the screen you're viewing now, with each of the current tiles, graphs, and tables displayed in the same graphical format. So this completes the presentation describing the RUCKUS Analytics Inventory Controllers Report dashboard. I hope you found this information useful and hope you return for more of the presentations in this RUCKUS Analytics series. Thank you for taking the time to view this presentation.